3 A's. You need to remember this all your life. 1, awareness. 2, acceptance. 3, actions. And that's it. Action is going to be the results. If there is something not working in your company, it's because the results are not the way that you want it, because the action is not there. So if you want to change your results, you need to change your habits. This is why I put it together, so you understand, and I could understand better, because the way that we work, we have the subconscious mind, and that's the one that is going to tell you you can be rich or not. Your thoughts are right there. It's your subconscious mind. You need to make it work. And then it's going to become a feeling. When you have the feeling, it's going to pass into action. And you make the action, and now you have your results. So you want to change the results, you need to change your thinking. My experience, I'm not telling you that what I'm saying you need to take it because it will work, but the principles will help you to get where you are. So the more that you learn about yourself, more successful you're going to be. He said you have 10 things that require no talent, 0 talent. Anybody can do it. So those are the 10 things. What is the difference between me, Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Henry Ford, whatever? The only difference that it is they have better ideas. Keep in mind that. Keep thinking. Every time that you feel depleted, trust me, close your eyes and picture everything that you're gonna be in the next 5 years. That I think is I'm gonna get reward for the energy and the passion that I have for anything. In exchange, I'm gonna have money. You don't get what you want, you get what you believe. Your future, your life, you are the star. Most of the people that I met so far, they are the extras in their own life. You're the star. So with that, I leave you with this one. Thank you guys.